In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off work offline mode in Microsoft Outlook Fast 2025 Guide. If Outlook says it's working offline or your inbox isn't updating, offline mode is likely turned on. This feature is handy when you want to read or compose messages without internet, but it stops real-time syncing. Let's switch it off so your email updates instantly again. Start by opening the Microsoft Outlook app or going to Outlook in your web browser. Make sure you're signed in to the account where offline mode was enabled. A stable internet connection helps here since we're turning syncing back on. Next, open Settings. In Outlook on the web and the new Outlook app, you'll find the gear icon in the upper right corner. Click it to open the quick settings pane, then go into the full settings menu if it appears. From there, select General in the left sidebar. This section groups core app preferences. Under General, choose Offline. This is where Outlook controls whether it stores a local copy of your mailbox and works without an internet connection. Find the option labeled Enable Offline and turn it off. When you toggle this setting off, Outlook stops caching new data locally and returns to live online syncing. Your mail on the server remains safe. You're only stopping the local offline copy from being used. Depending on your version, you may see a short message explaining that offline content will no longer be available. That's expected. After switching it off, click Save to apply the change. Give Outlook a moment to update. If your inbox doesn't refresh right away, you can reload the page or restart the app. Once it's back, you should no longer see an offline banner, and new messages should start appearing automatically. Try sending yourself a quick test email to confirm that sending and receiving are working in real time. A few helpful tips before we wrap up. If things still look offline, double check your internet connection and any VPN or firewall that might block Outlook. In some browsers, offline mode relies on site storage permissions. If you previously blocked storage, re-enabling it can help. Also, if you're using the classic desktop Outlook, there's a separate work offline toggle on the ribbon under Send/Receive. Make sure that button isn't selected there. Finally, give it a minute for larger mailboxes to fully resync, especially if you were offline for a while. That's it. Offline mode is now turned off, and your Outlook should be back to live syncing.